Store-bought lip balm can be filled with synthetic fragrances and other nasty chemicals.
You're gonna love this all-natural lip balm recipe from our March box.
It even has a fun pink tint to it.
Let's check it out.
To make this recipe, we're going to grab our recipe card and labels. We're also going to be using our mica powder, which is included in this box. It's a natural powder with a pink tint to it that is so fun to work with. We're also going to be using the oils grapefruit and
Head soothing.
these are kid-friendly oils. My daughters love this recipe and they think having pink lips is just so fun.
And for your big bonus box, you are going to grab your beeswax, your coconut oil, and your almond oil.
All right, let's get started.
First, we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of beeswax.
This is gonna get our balmy consistency.
Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of solid coconut oil
Which is moisturizing for your lips.
and a half a teaspoon of our almond oil from our bonus box. Now, I'm gonna pop this guy in the microwave for 30-second intervals while it's melting.
You can also do this on a double boiler. As soon as it's melted, remove it from the heat. Next, we're gonna add an 1/8 teaspoon of raspberry mica powder. To our lip balm, we're gonna add 2 drops of grapefruit.
And then 4 drops of head soothing. We'll stir. Looks good.
And now it's ready to go. We are going to pour it into a 1-ounce container. We pour it in. This recipe makes about 1/3 of an ounce, which is the size of a normal lip balm tube. So you could double this recipe to fill up this container more, or just use it as is, or use a lip balm tube.
Let's look at the finished product. So we made this one this morning to see how solid it is, and we can test it out.
I love the way it smells. It like matches your lips. It's like the same color. Perfect. To learn how to use essential oils to make your own natural products, check out simplier.com/box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button so you can see all kinds of cool recipes just like this one.
You're gonna love it. We even have a Facebook group full of people who love using essential oils, and it is such a positive, encouraging place. More people should be in it.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.